Join us as we ask Dr. Serguei Tchessalov questions about our upcoming freeze-drying workshop. Who should attend this workshop?
Doesn't matter if you do have experience or you don't. This course has elements that can fit to anyone. We have one-on-one sections as well as more advanced sections. So, anyone.
What are the key takeaways for attendees?
People would be able to design formulation, design a life cycle for this formulation, scale up this formulation to freeze dryer, for which they do have some input parameters into the model. I hope that's how they will benefit from this course.
What is different about this freeze-drying workshop from others?
Typically, I've been in a few courses that you have a slide deck, you discussed a lot of things during freeze drying, or what happens during freeze drying, but besides the slide deck, you typically get nothing except your notes. What you will get out of this course is, besides the slides, of course, you will get these two templates. One template is a model of primary drying, so you would be able to design any life cycle for product that of interest, and as well as template to design formulation for your product. That's typically what you will not get from other courses. One more thing you may be able to get out of this course is you would be able to ask and get answer to question for your particular product. That we can continue the discussion after the course, and that's something that typically also not offered to other courses as well.
Have more questions? Reach out to us at sales@millrocktech.com. Limited space is available. Register today.